Togo's Pretzelrami versus Arby's corned beef Reuben. Two sandwiches that aren't exactly the same, but are similar enough that I've pitted them against each other in the octagon. Which one tastes better? Which one is the better value? Will anyone notice that the octagon is actually my Kia Soul? All these questions will be answered now as the sandwich battle begins. I am at Togo's Pretzelrami. First of all, the price is really expensive. The sandwich itself is $13.25. I'm in the Bay Area, so like I'm in one of the most expensive places ever. Then I got a drink, got a 32-ounce fountain drink. They have Coke Freestyle there, which I very much like. The drink was $2.99. With tax and tip, it became $18.56. So that's expensive. So anyway, we got the sandwich. Plenty of napkins. And here we have the sandwich. So let's see. Now, I know that it's not going to look exactly like the picture. I know it's not going to have a cape. It's probably not going to be as like piled high as it shows in the ads. And look, you don't expect it to. I've lived on Earth. I know how these things go. That's way flatter than the picture. It says it's a 1/4 pound of pastrami. I mean, sure, I'm not going to weigh it. There's mustard, the provolone, and there's pickles on a pretzel bun. It's real mustard heavy. I like mustard, but we got mustard coming out everywhere. Let's see how this legendary pastrami tastes. It's good. I like pastrami. We got mustard going everywhere. It's really salty, but it's good. Is it any better than like an Arby sandwich? Probably not. I like the pretzel bun. And while it's not as piled high as the poster, obviously, it's still full of pastrami. I'm sure they weigh it out and they give you a 1/4 pound of pastrami. I got the regular size. There's also a larger size. Definitely did not need a larger size. The provolone gets pretty lost, but I taste the pickles, taste the pretzel bun. It is a real salt bomb, but it's good. I'm gonna rate it on a fast food rating because this is not like gourmet food, so you can't really compare it to a delicatessen and getting their pastrami. So on a fast food rating of 1 to 10, 10 being the best, probably give this like a 6.5. I mean, it's good. It's really expensive. $13.25. I don't know another fast food sandwich that's that expensive. If it was cheaper, if it was like under 10 bucks, might knock it up a couple of points, but you can definitely get better food for $13.25. In no way is it bad, but I should probably try like an Arby's sandwich to compare. I am at Arby's today. I don't normally go to Arby's. Arby's does not have a pastrami sandwich, but they have a Reuben, which is, I don't know, it's corned beef. It's similar. It's not exactly the Pretzelrami, but it's a similar kind of sandwich. Okay, so price comparison. First of all, the sandwich itself was only $9.99 as compared to $13.25 for the Pretzelrami. I did get the meal, which came with potato cakes. I'm not exactly sure what those are, and a drink. So the total was $17.11. So definitely cheaper than Togo's. Here is the sandwich. That is the Reuben corned beef, coleslaw, and cheese and sauce. The bread's a little soggy. Let's try the Arby's corned beef Reuben. Somehow it is saltier than the Pretzelrami. How is that possible? I mean, it's good. Really, really salty. I wish that the bread was a little crispier. I mean, it tastes like a Reuben. It doesn't taste all that different from the Pretzelrami. It is saltier though, which is crazy. So we also got potato cakes. Which are these? I mean, these look good. It looks like a kind of a hash brown situation. That tastes exactly like McDonald's hash browns. So, verdict. Let me take another taste. Man, that is real salty. I would say that this doesn't taste quite as good as the Pretzelrami. I like the Pretzelrami better. This is still good though. It is a salt bomb and a gut bomb, but it is cheaper. So again, $9.99 for the Arby's corned beef Reuben, $13.25 for the Pretzelrami. I would say that there is a similar amount of meat in both sandwiches. The pretzel bun, much better than this rye bread. So definitely the bun at Togo's gets the nod. I will say that the provolone on the Pretzelrami was totally lost. Like it could have been on there, could not have been on there. This has got more stuff on it. It's got Swiss cheese, it's got sauerkraut, and it's got like a what do you call it? That's like a Thousand Island dressing. So there's more going on, and I think that sort of hides the meat just tastes sort of like salt. And a blind taste says I don't know if I would say, oh, that's corned beef. All right, so final verdict on the Arby's corned beef Reuben. Oh my God, there's your final verdict. Final verdict on the Arby's corned beef Reuben. I'm gonna give it a 5.5. I enjoyed the flavor of the Pretzelrami better. The bun was much better. The meat, I think, was better. It wasn't quite as salty, but this still tastes good. The corned beef Reuben still tastes good. I'm still gonna finish it, but it's also cheaper. It's $3.25 cheaper, which is a lot cheaper. So there you go. I'm gonna head-to-head battle Togo's Pretzelrami versus the Arby's corned beef Reuben. The Togo's Pretzelrami wins. They both taste good. The Arby's sandwich is a better value, but the Togo sandwich is a better sandwich. All right, this is Ryan from Adventures Assemble. If you like this video, please hit the like button and follow me for more nerdy adventures. We'll talk to you later.